Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset the iPhone 14 using iTunes. Using iTunes on Windows and using a Mac differ slightly. Windows requires iTunes while MacBooks have everything baked into the OS. On a Mac, open Finder, plug in your phone and it will show up on the side panel. Click on it and you'll see a page like this instead of internal storage. On Windows, download iTunes from the Microsoft Store, open it, plug in your phone and navigate to this page. If you're plugging in your iPhone for the first time, it may ask you to trust the computer. A pop-up will appear on your phone. You might see a starting page with your phone image. Choose to set it up as new, then tap the phone icon to get to the main page. To reset your phone, press Restore iPhone. In both Mac and Windows, you'll need to download the newest version of iOS even if the phone already runs that version. This download may take some time. On iTunes, it shows a download icon next to the search bar. Once the download finishes, select Restore. This will prepare, extract, and install the software. The entire process might take about 10 minutes, so be patient. When finished, you'll be greeted with the setup screen. If you're logged into iCloud, you may get a pop-up telling you to turn off Find My, go to Settings, tap your iCloud at the top, find Find My, and disable it. You'll need to verify by providing your iCloud password. The process might take a few minutes, so be patient and let it run through. The process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.